Hey guys, Rasheed Philips here. Today, we're going over all the ways you are fucking up your steak. Welcome to Gentleman's Guide to Grilling. First rule, make sure you're starting off with a nice clean rig. Just a balled up piece of aluminum foil. Light your charcoal. For the love of everything, do not use lighter fluid. I don't know why it exists. I'll go off on a tangent here. I don't know any case or scenario where you want to use lighter fluid. Oh, the wood is wet. Guess what? Lighter fluid on top of wet wood just makes it flare for a second, then it burns off because the wood is wet. Don't put lighter fluid in your smoker. It's going to stay there forever. And no one in the history have said, I sure do love this chemical taste of lighter fluid. Don't use lighter fluid. Make sure you've got your steak out of the fridge, so it's not going right from the fridge to the grates. That's not going to cook evenly. Allow it to come up to room temperature slightly, then season it. Lay down your binder. We're going to use salt and your favorite beef rub. So I like to put my steaks every 90 seconds to allow for a perfectly even cook. Move it from the heat. After 5 minutes of resting, slice and enjoy your perfectly cooked steak. Now that you've enjoyed your meal, make sure to go head over to goodranchers.com for additional tips and tricks from the Gentleman's Guide to Grilling.